Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. A Jamaican woman has died in Barbados as mystery still surrounds her death. Greetings, and salutations to all nations. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. I'm Rastafari, so the here of People's TV. If you have not subscribed as yet, ladies and gentlemen, hit that red subscribe button. And we're going to have a great relationship, ladies and gentlemen, as mystery surrounds a Jamaican young woman's death in Barbados. Relatives and friends are in shock and mourning following the death of Jamaican national Shelly-Ann Matthews. Shelly-Ann Matthews was found dead in her room in Barbados on Sunday, September 15. Circumstances surrounding her death remain unclear, leaving many anxious for answers. Matthew, who was a 30-year-old from Old English, Manchester, Jamaica, have been residing and working in Barbados for an undisclosed period. Her body was discovered in a swollen state, prompting widespread concern and speculation regarding the cause of death. Some have suggested possible of poisoning, but there is currently no official confirmation of foul play. Authorities are conducting a thorough investigation, and an autopsy has been scheduled to determine the cause of death. Ladies and gentlemen, the families and friends of Shelly-Ann Matthews are grieving right now, and we at Deep Roots TV here want to send our deepest condolence to the family there in Old English in Manchester, Jamaica. I'm Rastafari, soldier here of Deep Roots TV, reporting the mysterious death of a Jamaican woman in Barbados has left many anxious to figure out what has caused her demise. If you have not subscribed as yet, ladies and gentlemen, hit that red subscribe button. If you're watching me on TikTok, make sure you hit that follow button, ladies and gentlemen, and leave your comment why you think so many women are traveling overseas, i.e., place like Barbados. It was just last year another woman tragically lost their life in Barbados. Make sure you stick close to families and friends, ladies and gentlemen, especially when you're out of the island. I'm Rastafari, soldier here of Deep Roots TV, reporting live. Shelly-Ann Matthews of Old English, Manchester, mysteriously lost her life in Barbados. An investigation continue. We're still waiting on the autopsy. Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari, soldier here of Deep Roots TV. I'm more life, and I'm more joy, and I'm more nappiness. Stay blessed.